Hello everybody, Pager at 1776 here, and you are looking at a 1956 Western Electric Model 500 rotary telephone that I'm going to demonstrate for you. This phone is in excellent, as you can see, is obviously in excellent shape. The only things haven't been done to it is that it has been cleaned up, and I've oiled dial some too. It is a non-modular phone, home with the as the lack of jacks right here, but it does have a modular plug put on the cord and a modern cord put in, so it can be plugged into modern wall jacks. And so this is a ringing test that I'm going to do for you. First, take the phone off hook and dial 959 1110, and then another number, 837 5202. And we have dial tone back, and so now I'm going to demonstrate the ring on it. Now it should ring. It is that ringing sound mostly it's one reason why I prefer these phones like this, but also it is the rotary dialing action that I love so much too about them.